Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, right?
Literally almost February, and I just threw the Christmas tree outside. This is the mess I'm gonna have to clean up. I put all the decorations in this basket, but I'm gonna show you guys. It's kind of a mess in here. I'm getting ready to clean, but it's out here. So I'm about to clean because it's a super big mess in the living room. I also have to put up some groceries. But yeah, this is the last of the Christmas decorations, I think, except for this tree in here, which I'm gonna take all of these ornaments off and put it in that same tote, and then maybe box this tree up tomorrow. We're waiting on our storage building. We haven't got it yet. So I got this tote packed full of our Christmas stuff. And I wanted to show you guys this because I'm not sure if I showed you in one of the Christmas vlogs or not. But my mom had this made for us, and it is so cute. It has Baylee, Madison, and Seth on it. And then it says the Marsingill family. And it is so cute. I absolutely love it. And I can't wait to put it on our tree next year. So here is tote number 1. I'm going to go get the lid. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on this one because it is ready and packed. So I'm hoping to get a storage building of some sort soon. So this is Baylee's baby clothes, packed and ready, and then I just labeled this box with the Christmas ornaments and decor, and I'm gonna stack these boxes until we get a storage building, and then we will put them all out there and organize. So there's those two. Oh my gosh, I forgot this Christmas tree back here. It's okay, I still have more totes of Christmas stuff anyways. Now I'm gonna clean all this mess up.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
So we got the play area pretty decently clean. I mean, you can only keep a toy area so clean, I think. And then this pile of toys is just kind of getting out of control, but it is what it is. As for over here, it's still kind of a mess, but I'll get to it. I just have some clothes to fold and then straighten up the couch. This is my stuff I've been planning out for the week. My notebook, my planner, all that. So that's just kind of like work and school related, and then Seth's been playing his games and stuff. Anyways, we will get to this part later. We got this room pretty decently clean. These two need to be put up. We need to take the trash off. Hi. So the kitchen is a pretty big mess. Hi. But Seth's been working really hard on all the dishes. Then I did change out this like little bar area thing. Really cute. I'm wanting to get some like little Target Dollar Spot Valentine's Day stuff to put here, and just something like little decorations. But I kept the two little houses from Christmas, added a candle, kept the lights, and then kept this picture. So yeah, that's it so far. Good morning. Hi. Oh, sorry, you need some privacy. Okay. Are you finished? Did you pee? You did! Good job, baby! Good job! So I have been working super hard this morning, and I got the bathroom clean, and I did like a complete like scrub down. Now this bathroom is really small, so this stuff is gonna look kind of messy, but I did organize my side over here. Cleaned the sink and everything, organized Seth's side and the toilet paper there. Yeah, we just don't have much cabinet space in here. And what cabinet space we do have, it's completely full. So we really have nowhere to put stuff except for in these drawers down here. And then also, I cleaned the entire shower and tub. So yeah, it looks super good in here. Like I said, it is a little cluttered, it is a little small, but it's clean. So yeah, so I have to deal with this huge mess right here. We may be getting Baylee a dresser here soon because this thing just isn't really working anymore. But I did clean up her play area a little bit. Yeah, Baylee's sippies are being washed, so she had to go back to using one of her babas. She doesn't care though. What are you watching, huh?
Beep beep.
Beep beep? Oh. Are you helping? Good job. Show mommy how you vacuum. Oh, good job, baby. You vacuum your rug, okay? What, baby? What, my baby? Oh, I love you so much. Can you give mama a kiss? Give mommy a kiss. You better give mommy a kiss. Oh. Uh-oh. What do you have in your cup? Nothing?
Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 yeah. But we let each other down, 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 yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 yeah.
So I still have a few more dishes to put up. Oh yeah, and these I forgot. And then one day here soon, I need to like go through all of this stuff in these cabinets because it's kind of getting out of control. And we just don't have that much cabinet space up here. And then like this one is like spices and stuff like that. So finished in here for the most part, but now I'm going to tackle this. Don't look at the light, baby. Tackle all of this in here. I got out a bunch of Baylee's clothes and I'm folding them and putting them up because we're gonna go get her a dresser this evening, and I want to have them all ready to organize in her dresser. But with that being said, we still have a ton more, and then there's a ton in the bedroom too. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start on all of this. As you can see, I've already done quite a few of them. But yeah, let's get this done.
This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we call them? We weren't supposed to break up. It's too late to make up to what my heart wants. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us.
So Seth is working on some homework, but I'm about to clean in here because it is a complete disaster in here. And then I'll probably be done, at least for right now. Besides all of these clothes, because we're hopefully going to get a dresser for Baylee soon. So hopefully all of this will be gone when we get the dresser. But I was like going through her clothes and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to clean in here and get this space in here all cleaned up.
That we were better than all of the others. Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't let things come between us. Let love rule, not be us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down.
So for the most part, it's pretty clean in here. Still need a little work on Seth's desk over here, but he's currently using it. But I did clean the living room. So that is the end of this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
till the dawn of time.